Shalom, shalom, shalom. Y'all, check this out. My youngest daughter, she heard the birds outside making noise, talking about they out there arguing. No, they're not. I don't know who told you that, but they don't argue. They sing praises unto the Lord Yahweh. But TikTok teaching our children wrong. Y'all, check this out. Yes, for laughs. But according to Ecclesiastes, everything ain't funny. It's a time and a season for everything. A time to laugh and a time to cry. Y'all go check his page out and check this one out. Run, go check out his page too. But in the beginning of this video, I told y'all that the birds sing praises unto Yahweh and they sing praises unto his holy name. But some of y'all be running around here looking like birds. Yeah, y'all hair be this color. And I be looking at y'all like, oh my. Are they trying to look like a bird? Or is it just that they just like all the colors? And other people that think like me be looking at y'all like that too. Like, is she really wearing green, yellow, orange, blue? Maybe y'all want to be like a bird. But if you want to be like a bird, take it all the way and praise you, hey, Wafe's name. Say, praise Yahweh. Be like the birds. Or be like the monkeys. The baboons, they get up early in the morning. According to this article, they wake up before daybreak and give praises to you, hey, Wafe.
My God is awesome. He can move mountains, keep me in the valley, and hide me from the rain.
Once again, go check out that brother's page. And remember, the baboons, the birds, probably the alligators, and all the other animals and creatures that God Yahweh created. Give praises to his name. We give praises to his name. Think about that. What is his name? When you go search and research, you know that the Ancient of Days name was Yud-Heh-Wav-Heh, translated into Yahweh. And look, it's in the sun. His name is in the sun. Y'all know I'm big on 2 Timothy 2:15, studying to show yourself approved, a workman needed not to be ashamed, rightly dividing the word of truth. Well, in the Bible that I use, it has Yahweh's name. Yeah, you got to get you one of these, okay? Because the King James Version only has his name in the definition section. And for a limited time, I will be blessing 3 people with a 10-minute free study session.